The first step is to set trading hours. Think about it. If you had a job, you wouldn't just show up at random times, right? You'd have a schedule. Trading is no different. When I started, I would trade at midnight, in the morning, during lunch breaks, whenever I felt like it. And the result? Total inconsistency. Some days I was sharp, some days I was half asleep, and my results showed it. So here's what I did. I picked a specific 2 hour window in the day to trade, and I stuck to it. For me, it was evenings because that's when I had energy and focus. Markets move differently at different times. When London and New York overlap, for example, you'll see big moves. If you're in a different time zone, mornings might be more active. The key is not about trading all day, it's about picking the time that fits your lifestyle and sticking to it like clockwork. And the best part, Olymp Trade works on both phone and computer. So once you decide your trading window, you can trade from anywhere. No excuses. The second step is having a pre-market checklist. Think of it like an athlete warming up before a game. Would a footballer just walk into the stadium and start kicking the ball without stretching? No way. Trading is the same. A simple pre-market checklist might include: check the economic calendar. Is there major news today like interest rate decisions or inflation reports? Look at the trend. Are markets bullish, bearish, or stuck sideways? Pick 2 3 assets to focus on. Don't try to trade everything. Check your own mood. If you're tired, stressed, or angry, skip trading. When I first started, I ignored this step. I'd open the app and just click trades based on how I felt. And let me tell you, that feeling cost me money. Now, Olymp Trade actually has tools built in to help with this. They show you news updates, asset overviews, and technical indicators all in one place. So your checklist doesn't need 5 different apps. It's right there on the platform. Step 3: risk management. And let me keep it real with you. This is the difference between traders who survive and traders who quit. Here's what happened to me once. I got cocky. I put almost my entire account balance into a single trade because I was so sure. And you already know what happened. It went the other way and I lost almost everything. That day taught me one rule: never risk more than 2% of your account per trade. That way, even if you're wrong, you live to trade another day. Here's another rule: set daily limits. For example, if you lose 3 trades in a row, stop for the day. Don't try to win it back, that's revenge trading and it destroys accounts. Olymp Trade makes this simple because you can set stop loss and take profit orders before you even enter a trade. That means your risk is controlled automatically. No guessing, no emotions later on. Step 4: journaling your trades. And before you roll your eyes, listen. This is one of the biggest hacks to improving as a trader. A trading journal is just a notebook or a digital document where you record your trades. You write down what you traded, why you entered, how much you risked, what the result was, and what you learned. Over time, your journal becomes a mirror. You'll see patterns. Maybe you're always losing on Fridays. Maybe you perform best in the mornings. Maybe one strategy works better than others. I didn't journal when I started and I kept repeating the same mistakes for months. When I finally started tracking, my growth skyrocketed. Olymp Trade helps with this because your entire trade history is saved. You can go back, review your decisions, and even screenshot your setups for your journal. Step 5: review every single day. At the end of your trading session, take just 10 minutes to ask yourself: did I follow my rules today? Did I stick to my risk management? What went right? What went wrong? Think of it like watching replays after a football game. That's how athletes improve. They review their performance. As a trader, you should do the same. Most beginners ignore this. They just close the app and move on, but the traders who improve fastest are the ones who actually learn from each day, not just trade and forget. And step 6: balance. Listen, trading is addictive. The charts are always moving and you'll feel like you need to be glued to the screen all day. But that's a trap. Set your hours, do your routine, and then step away. Go exercise, hang out with friends, read a book. When you have balance in your life, you come back sharper and make better trading decisions. The flexibility of Olymp Trade is a huge advantage here. You don't have to sit in front of a computer all day. You can trade on your phone for your set hours, then get back to life. That's how you make trading sustainable. So let's recap the trading routine that actually works in 2025. Set your trading hours. Use a pre-market checklist. Stick to a risk management plan. Journal your trades. Review and improve daily. Keep balance in your life. If you follow these steps, you'll separate yourself from 90% of traders who have no system. Trading is not about luck, it's about discipline and consistency. Start practicing your routine today with Olymp Trade. Open a free demo account, set your hours, and practice building the habits of a real trader. And when you're ready, move to live trading with small amounts. Trust me, your future self will thank you.